It's crepe à la pinaille, inspired by Café Breton in Manila. It's mango-filled crepe, topped with vanilla ice cream and chocolate sauce. In fact, it's easy. We just need to polish the plating. You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. This is reality cooking, nothing is rehearsed, and no studio lighting. Join us for some learning and fun here on Channel 1 at a location here in Vienna. Good morning. Who wouldn't want to wake up to this breakfast? Mango peach crepe. Let's dash through the procedures. It's easy. It's really easy. Just 1 cup of ordinary flour, 1/4 cup sugar, a pinch of salt, no baking soda needed, but just 1 egg. That's it. And start mixing. Let's add milk gradually. The batter should be thick. Yes, it should be able to flow. I mean, freely flow. It should be on the thin side. For more creaminess, let's add just cooking oil. 1 teaspoon will be more than enough. It's suggested to use thick pan with flat bottom. Non-stick, but yet I'm applying some butter here to prevent sticking. And pour 1 ladle of butter. The first usually is not perfect because we have to get accustomed to the fire. I'm recommending medium high. It may not look good, but this is still usable. Don't worry. Now, the second time, this is better now because we know our pan now on our fire. Look. You don't need a ladle to spread the butter. Just tilt it like this to spread it over the bottom of the pan. Same effect. See? This is what I meant with it should be able to flow still. Thin and able to flow. And turn it over. Flip it. See? It should not be darker than that. It's good.
Yep.
It's good. We need a very ripe mango. 1 piece would be enough for 4 people. This is for 4 servings. You don't need to mash it. It's your choice, by the way. You might want to mash it. I think mashing is easier. But we keep it this way. I'm doing the camera here, which is a bit shaky. Now, to balance the sourness, let's add some peach jam. 1/4 the volume of the mango.
Exactly.
It's a good combination, mango peach. Do you remember the mango peach pie of Jollibee? Same formula. By the way, the peach jam is optional. You can drop it. Let's just mix this filling and we're ready.
That's all nice.
We'll fold this filling, just making lumpia. Ideally, this needs beautiful fingers, which are Instagrammable. Mine are not. I hope you don't mind. Turn it over for better plating, but this is slightly burnt, so we'll do another one. This was the first. I hope the other side of this is more presentable. Wrap it a la lumpia or suman. and turn it over. Yes, this is more like it. Another. We'll be serving this to 4 people. There are 4 portions. 1 cup is enough for 4 persons. This has been filled better if we were at home. Now, let's stop with vanilla ice cream. Just opt for the cheapest vanilla ice cream you have in your grocery. We don't even have here an ice cream scoop. Now the finishing touch, the chocolate sauce. Tip, something we've learned, use it at room temperature. It's easier to spread. It's more manageable. This is very thick due to the temperature. Let's do another one. Let's polish that. Let's polish the chocolate sauce application. This worth rehearsing. Yes, it has to be at room temperature, really. Nevertheless, this is delicious, guaranteed. I'm playing the cameraman, so it's a regular cameraman who does the tasting. I told you it's delicious. Do it at home as well. Do it at home. And don't refrigerate your chocolate sauce before using, for ease in the plating. Join us again here next time on Channel 1 for more fun in gardening and cooking. See you on the next videos. And if places, events, and cultures are your interest too, there's another channel dedicated for those. My barrio, my mundo. Just like the scenes you're seeing now. See you there as well.